A tornado watch and a severe thunderstorm watch have been issued for our area by the National Weather Service. Currently, the temperature is 65 degrees with a heavy thunderstorm. Here's our local Doppler radar. For tonight, windy with strong thunderstorms, damaging winds with some storms, low 44. Northwest winds at 50 to 70 miles per hour, diminishing to 20 to 30 miles per hour. 1 to 2 inches of rain expected.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Collin County in north-central Texas, Dallas County in north-central Texas, until 7:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:05 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Salina to near Mansfield, moving east at 40 miles per hour. These are destructive storms with tornado-like wind speeds. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Dallas, Plano, Garland, Irving, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, McKinney, Carrollton, Frisco, Richardson, Allen, Rowlett, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Wiley, Coppell, Duncanville, Lancaster, Farmers Branch, and Bulk Springs. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for north-central Texas. This is an extremely dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across parts of Denton and Tarrant counties. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Your current conditions. Your local forecast. Your current conditions.